Good morning, one and all. Myself, B. Mahendra, BSc, MPC, final year, Government Degree College, Darpalli. Jignasa Student Study Project, Department of Mathematics. Our topic is ordinary differential equations. Our supervisor name is G. Nenike Madam. My team members are Saibeja, Manusha, Rani, and Ruchita. Differential equations. Equations which are composed of an unknown function and its derivatives are called differential equations. Differential equations play a fundamental role in engineering because many physical phenomena are best formulated mathematically in terms of their rate of change. dv by dt equals to g minus v c by m into v, where v independent variable and t independent variable. When a function involves one dependent variable, the equation is called an ordinary differential equation or ODE. A partial differential equation or PDE involves two or more independent variables. Differential equations are also classified as to their order. A first order equation includes a first derivative as its highest derivative. A second order equation includes a second derivative. Higher order equations can be reduced to a system of first order equations by redefining a variable.
The first derivative provides a direct estimate of the slope of xi. Pi is equals to f into xi comma yi, where f of xi, yi is the differential equation evaluated xi and yi. This is estimated can be substituted into the equation xi y plus 1 is equal to yi plus f of xi yi h. The new value of y is predicted using the slope of extrapolated linearly over the stepwise edge. Analyze Euler methods. Numerical solutions of OEDs involves two types of errors. Location truncation error. EA is equals to f dash xi yi by 2 factorial of x square. EA is equal to O h square. Provocated truncation error. The sum of two is the total or global truncation error, run-off errors. The Taylor series provides a mean of equipointed the error Euler's method. However, the Taylor's error series provides only the estimate the local truncation error, that is the error created during a single step of method. The actual problem, the functions are more complemented than simple polynomials. Consequently, the derivatives needs to evaluate the Taylor series expansion would not always to be easy to obtain.
Improvements of Euler's method. A fundamental source of error in Euler's method is that the derivative at the beginning of the interval is assumed to apply across the entire interval. Two simple modifications are available to circumvent this shortcoming. Hence, method. The midpoint or improved polygon method provides
Conclusion.
a means of. However, the Taylor series provides only an estimate of the local transaction error, that is error created during a single step of the method. In actual problems, the functions are more complicated than simple polynomials. Consequently, the derived derivatives. Conclusion: the error can be reduced by reducing the step size. If the solution of the differential equations is linear, the method will provide error-free predictions as per straight line. The second derivative would be 0. Thank you.